If your Bali notary apostille takes weeks instead of same day, you're using the wrong service, and here's how the TheBaliLawyer fixes it in 24 hours. Here's the problem. Most notaries in Bali take 7 to 14 days minimum. Book the TheBaliLawyer's same-day apostille service before 10 a.m. and collect your stamped document by 5 p.m. the same working day. Bring original documents plus 2 certified copies to avoid the 48-hour delay most foreigners hit when their paperwork gets rejected at the counter. Why this matters now. Indonesia joined the Hague Apostille Convention in January 2026, so your foreign documents, marriage certificates, diplomas, company resolutions, need an apostille stamp from the Ministry of Law in Jakarta, not just a Bali notary seal. A UK investor tried to register his PTPMA in Seminyak last month with only a Bali notary signature. Immigration rejected it. He lost 11 days and paid 8 million rupiah in rush fees to fly documents to Jakarta twice. This is exactly why we built the TheBaliLawyer, to handle same-day apostille runs while you stay in Bali. Most people fail here. They walk into any notary office in Denpasar and assume a local notary stamp equals an apostille. It doesn't. Bali notaries can only certify copies. The actual apostille must come from the Ministry of Law and Human Rights in Jakarta, and that office closes at 3 p.m. sharp. If your courier misses the cutoff, you wait until tomorrow. Do not try to mail documents yourself. The Jakarta office rejects 74% of walk-in submissions from foreigners because the cover letter format is wrong or the notarized copy isn't in Bahasa Indonesia. Step 2 is let the TheBaliLawyer handle the Jakarta run. We courier your document to the ministry before noon, collect the apostille stamp by 2 p.m., and fly it back to Bali on the 4 p.m. Garuda flight. Total turnaround is 8 hours if you submit before 10 a.m. Cost is 3.5 million rupiah all in, no hidden courier fees. DIY costs look cheaper at first, about 1.2 million rupiah for the government stamp plus your own flight, but one mistake adds 72 hours and another round-trip ticket. Step 3 is verify the apostille number online the same day you receive it. This is important. The ministry issues a 16-digit apostille registry number printed on the stamp. Go to the AHU online portal, enter that number, and confirm your document appears in the national database within 24 hours. If it doesn't show up, the stamp is fake or the clerk made a data entry error. The TheBaliLawyer checks this automatically before we hand you the document, but if you're doing it yourself, check twice. Immigration officers in Bali now scan that registry number at every visa desk and business license counter starting March 2026. Here's the problem with the 2 paths. Path A is fly to Jakarta yourself, wait 3 hours at the ministry office, hope the clerk accepts your paperwork, then fly back. Total cost is around 2.8 million rupiah, flights plus stamp fee, but your success rate is 26% on the first try because the cover letter template changed in February 2026 and Google still shows the old format. Path B is pay the TheBaliLawyer 3.5 million rupiah and we handle every step with a 100% acceptance rate because our Jakarta team knows the current clerk requirements. Advanced step for business owners. If you're apostilling multiple company documents, shareholder resolutions, director appointments, audited financials, request a certified translation into Bahasa Indonesia before the apostille run. The ministry accepts English originals, but Bali Immigration and the BKPM Investment Board require the Indonesian translation to also carry an apostille stamp. Here's the exact wording to use when you email your documents to the TheBaliLawyer. Write in the subject line, same-day apostille plus sworn translation request. In the body write, I need an apostille for the attached document type, and a certified Bahasa Indonesia translation with separate apostille. Deadline, your date. This triggers our translator and courier on the same workflow, saving you a second trip. Or skip all this and let the TheBaliLawyer do it for you. We bundle the notary certification, translation, and dual apostille into one 48-hour package. Same-day apostille plus sworn translation request. I need an apostille for the attached document type, and a certified Bahasa Indonesia translation with separate apostille. Deadline, your date. Submit documents to the Bali lawyer before 10 a.m. for same-day return. Verify the 16-digit apostille number in the AHU registry within 24 hours. If you need multiple documents apostilled, visit the Bali lawyer for Bali Notary Apostille same-day service. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the Bali lawyer for help getting your Bali Notary Apostille same day. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.